Good morning vlog, welcome to Saturday. I am working today in sort of like a food truck sort of thing. It's like a box on wheels essentially with a kitchen inside. I'm really excited because it's also at the farmer's market, which is a really cool event, and I'm told it should be quite busy, which is always exciting because that means the day goes by infinitely faster. I just like work. I just like getting down in there and doing stuff. It's fun for me, which is weird.
Work, all we got, punch that clock, dust it on, count the days to Friday night, that's when all the conditions are right for a good time.
Finished work. I'm off like 3 hours earlier than I anticipated, which is nice. It's shitty because it means I don't make as much money, but it's nice. Now I got a whole day just to do stuff and have fun. And oh my gosh, generator, could you be any louder? I'm trying to vlog right now. Rude. Though I'm gonna make a quick stop home, and then I'm sure I'll find some sort of fun thing to do this afternoon. Or Netflix, which is fun for me, but not for you. Well, unless we should watch something together. Is that pop? No, it's a bad idea. I have this issue with my sound system where I can't actually listen to it because, one, I don't want to actually hook up the speakers, and two, it's too far away for me to actually put headphones in. So I'm gonna go see if I can find like a headphone extender thing that you plug your headphones into, then it plugs in, and so it just makes it longer. I think that type of thing would exist. I'm not actually... Why is the lighting so terrible? I think that type of thing exists, but I'm not actually 100% sure. So hopefully I can find it. I also want to find a USB thing for my this, but it's in there right now because this guy, USB. So hopefully I can play music through it. Try and find some cables. Woo! So here's the scoop. It's Mother's Day tomorrow, and I still don't have anything for my mom. However, that's okay to talk about in the vlog, because you know what? She's gonna watch this tomorrow, and I'll have already given her her present. So, let's go find something for her. Oh, hey there. I didn't see you. Just kidding, I did because I turned the camera on. We've had a good day. Tomorrow I also have the day off. So, Sunday. Sunday. Be there. I'll see you tomorrow. That didn't work at all. That was a terrible. Why would I try ending it with a light source? That's clearly not the effective way, and has no similarity to the darkness that my hand creates upon placing it on the lens. God, James, sometimes you just need to think shit through before you do it.